Then this one.
Or should I do gold or silver?
Do silver. Oh, I should do silver.
I'll do gold. If you do silver, I'll do gold.
Oh, that looks good. Let me get my silver. Oh, the green looks good too. I'm gonna do the silver. There we go.
Look, we got tons of colors.
Hold on, you know. Did you do that yet? I'm gonna hold on for 1 second. You know why? Because we're gonna transfer more foil, right?
Yes.
Also, I'm gonna do.
I've added my second layer of foil.
Yo, so.
I'm not gonna do it yet.
So I'm gonna do another layer.
My layer of foil gel. I just cured it. I'm gonna now put my.
Okay, good.
Teddy bear on.
Yes, because we wanna transfer everything on first. Because sometimes when we adding the texture on it, it might be. It's still transfer, but it give you a little bit more time to rub it on. So I'm gonna cure for second layer of the premium eye hole transfer foil, and cure for 30 seconds. It looks so cute though. He looks so good. So you don't have to paint him. You can if you want to.
I don't have to.
Because if you paint this,
I can hand paint, but I don't.
Yeah, it will take probably you at least good 20-30 minutes for this.
Yes.
Yeah, you have to mix your colors, your pigment, and then you can't price and you can't charge the clients for $5 because it would definitely take you more than 5 minutes. So this is great to getting it some
$1 a minute.
Should we have him like if he right here? It's like half of him.
Mm-hmm. That's fine.
And then I'm gonna do this one. You think?
It's so cute.
You can replace the star on top with the.
No, I'm gonna leave that there so I can do maybe crystal designs on that one. You know?
Okay.
On the top right here, because I'm almost thinking that I'm put a candle there, but then it's nice to get it in like more of your fireplace or on yours dining table.
It doesn't want to give me the foil paper back. Hold on. Gotta push it down and take it back up. It didn't want to give it to me.
God. He doesn't have his pom-pom. I took the pom-pom away. The pom-pom is off in the edges.
Oh no.
You get kiss the pom-pom.
He's plenty pretty.
Yeah, he's cute. Anyway. But looks super cute.
I got my snowflakes on. I'm gonna show